Today we're reviewing the KL302 by Troop, a 7-color keyboard and mouse. We're going to show you what comes in the box, how to get started, 2.4 gigahertz dongle, keyboard, mouse, the KL302 system for your computer needs. It has a colored background, mouse, cables, USB dongle. We're going to show you what you get inside the box and how to set it up. It comes in a nice box. Opening up, you're going to pull out your parts, the mouse, USB cable, dongle, and adapter, the keyboard, and the back part. Retro style keys sticking out, as you can see. Nice close-up look at the keyboard. Plug in your keyboard for the first time to charge. On the back of the keyboard by the lights, you're going to plug in your cable and allow the keyboard to charge up for a couple of hours. It has a charging indicator located right here. While charging, you're still able to use your keyboard. It can become wireless. A 2000 milliamp battery, 30 hours of use, 16 hours of work time, and takes 6 to 8 hours to fully charge. The mouse has a 500 milliamp battery. Charge it up with a USB-C cable to the front, a red light indicator. 17 hours of work time, 68 hours of working time without the backlight, 3 hours of charge time. Mouse's DPI is 800, 1200, 1600 with the pressing of the center top button with the forward and back button. And you have a dongle that plugs into your USB-A port or into the USB-A to C adapter correctly. On the back of the unit is an on and off switch for the light and the on switch. As we turn the light on of the unit, the mouse will operate and light up. Over here around the sides with the light in the on position. We're going to connect the mouse to the computer by putting in the dongle to the USB-A port, setting up the device, 2.4 gigahertz receiver. It's ready to use. And there is the mouse opening up a file like so. When set up, you can see the different colors of the mouse lighting up all around. Left click, right click, and scroll wheel back and forward. To turn on and set up the unit, there is a small switch located here. Simply slide up. The keyboard will start to light up, and we should set up. Automatically sets up just like that, so we can type. Nice and quiet keys. As we press the shift, question, right arrow, left arrow, M, space, command, F, and paper. You can hear how quiet it is. And then when we type hard, you can hear the typing. In the instruction guides, it tells you what everything of the keyboard can do. If you want to change the color, click on the FN and the scroll lock. You have a light color, pink, and so forth. As you can see, all the different colors. As you type, each of the scroll locks, they do not change colors. We're going to go to the lighter color, and we're going to go to page up and page down. In increments, we can increase and decrease the light. So if we want it off, we just shut it off by page down and turn it on by page up. FNW for Windows, FNQ for Macintosh systems. This could be ran on both systems. It is a nice size keyboard. It has a palm resting pad that goes in the front of the unit that you can simply place on correctly and type nice and comfortable, and is magnetic to the keyboard, as you can see. If you need to have additional height for ergonomics, on the back of the keyboard you have feet that you can stand up as well. For hand placements on the F and J, there are two little markings so you know where your fingers go. You have a numeric pad, your FN keys, play music, and more. The keyboard and mouse works off of the dongle together. You need to have the dongle in order to operate the keyboard and mouse. It recognizes within a couple of seconds as soon as you turn on your mouse. Removal of the dongle. Everything shuts down, place back in, shut off, and use your product for the next day. It's a nice size mouse, nice and large, fits in the hands nice and easy. The Truk KL302 keyboard, 7-color background, multicolor mouse lighting. I hope this product is something that you are looking for your computer needs. Thank you for viewing.